In mathematics, the argument of the maximum is the set of points of the given argument for which the given function attains its maximum value. In contrast to global maximums, which refer to a function's largest outputs, the argmax refers to the inputs which create those maximum outputs. Definition: the argmax is defined by, in other words, it is the set of points x for which f attains its largest value. This set may be empty, have one element, or have multiple elements. For example, if f is 1 minus x, then it attains its maximum value of 1 only at x equals 0, so the argmax operator is the natural complement of the max operator which, given the same function, returns the maximum value instead of the point or points that reach that value. In other words, is the element in this set can contain no elements or one element, but cannot contain multiple elements. Equivalently, if M is the maximum of f, then the argmax is the level set of the maximum. If the maximum is reached at a single point, then this point is often referred to as the argmax, meaning we define the argmax as a point, not a set of points. So, for example, since the maximum value of x is 25, which occurs for x equals 5, however, in case the maximum is reached at many points, argmax is a set of points. Then, we have, for example, since the maximum value of cos is 1, which occurs on this interval for x equals 0, 2 pi or 4 pi, on the whole real line, the argmax is. Note also that functions do not in general attain a maximum value, and hence will in general not have an argmax. Is the empty set, as is unbounded on the real line. However, by the extreme value theorem, a continuous function on a compact interval has a maximum, and thus an argmax. Argmin. Argmin stands for argument of the minimum, and is defined analogously. For instance, a point x for which f attains its smallest value. The complementary operator is, of course, min.